I was sober for, a little over 12 years. In about 2023, I had relapsed and had a few struggles and was having a hard time getting and staying sober again. And so I was doing a lot of research on, recovery programs and different things out there. And I happened to come across Ibogaine. And so I did some research there and, decided to make the trip down here.
Was there a single moment in your life where you thought, like, I really need to get some help?
Hopelessness, still trying to live my daily life. And that was very much a struggle, trying every day to manage that while deep down inside I was dying and hurting very much.
Can you tell us a little bit about your Ibogaine experience? Some people experience something that it's called, or they've called it the life review. Experience anything like that during the Ibogaine treatment?
Yes, especially the first one. Maybe somewhere deep down in my past, I had some trauma that maybe I had never dealt with. I had lost my mother when I was very young. It was funny during that first experience, the Ibogaine had showed me my mother and showed me dancing with my mother, and it showed me, I had lost my brother and my father as well, us all being happy together, and just kind of showed me, a lot of my suffering and trauma from when I was very young, and, also showed me that, it was okay. It was okay to mourn for those things and that everything was okay. So this trip on my very first Ibogaine treatment, it very much felt like there was a war going on inside my body. It felt, the only way I could describe it was God and the devil were at war inside my body. That's how it felt. There was fire inside of my body, and it felt like God was trying to get rid of something out of my body. The second was very smooth, very much easier, very much more calm. It felt almost like a restoration, like putting the pieces back together, the healing. I could feel my body healing. I felt, a lot stronger. I definitely didn't have as many visuals or I had some of my family. I could see my children. I could see my family. I could see how important they were to me, how much they meant to me, how important it was for me to recognize that, and how much they needed me and need me to be strong and be well, and kind of got that overwhelming sense that this was important and my family was very important to me. And
do you think that Ibogaine treatment has helped you cope with the losses that you've had in your life?
Absolutely. So I'll give you an example. My mom, like I said, passed when I was very young. I don't think I cried after her funeral for her almost ever. I kind of stuffed that down and put that away. And after that treatment, I just cried and cried and cried for my mom, and I loved her and I honored her and I appreciated her in a way that I hadn't in a very, very long time. I didn't even know that I could, and so it definitely helped with that a lot. So,
can you tell us how you heard about the clinic? I know you did some research about Ibogaine treatment.
Yeah, so I started doing some research online. I was in pretty bad shape, and I called a couple different places. I couldn't get a hold of anybody. And then I finally got a hold of Cole here, and he kind of walked me through the process, and he had been through it and shared his experience with me. And I just said, okay, I think I'm in, and I want to give it a try.
Have you had any other effects that you can maybe...
I can feel my skin feels a lot different. It's healing, I know through, off and on over the last year or two, I had put my body through a lot, and, I started seeing some effects from that. So definitely like my skin healing quite a bit. I had a ingrown toenail that was like getting infected, and I was trying to take care of that, and it's like gone now. It's like it's just healed. It's just there's amazing. Nothing there anymore, and I could just see a difference in my face only being 6 or 7 days. When I came in, I felt like I looked. Back in the United States, we kind of call it a gray. We call it the grays when you're on drugs, and you just kind of don't have life to your face, and like I could see my face and my eyes again, and whites around my eyes. My hair feels a lot better. It was really getting super fine, and it feels a lot better. So some of those effects that I can already feel. I've been battling substance abuse and involved in multiple different recovery programs for most of my life since I was very, very young. And I would say this has been the most effective treatment that I've ever found. It's not a cure. I know that. I've already experienced that it's not a cure, but it is the quickest and most effective treatment that I have ever found to get you on your feet quickly, to give you that head start, that fresh feeling where you can go right to doing what you need to do without having all of the residual things that come from
like withdrawal,
recovery, especially with drugs. There's a lot of residual, mental residual, physical residual that makes it very difficult to continue on your recovery journey, where this kind of sets you on the right you're track. You're ready to go. You don't have a lot of those residuals. So I would say anybody dealing with addiction, especially, that this is the perfect head start, and the most effective that I have found. I've been around a long time, and I've tried a lot of different things, and this is by far the most effective. It's been an incredible treatment facility. The food has been wonderful. The nurses and all of the staff have been wonderful. They've treated me excellent. Anything that I needed, they made me feel more than comfortable after the treatments, asking me what I needed, and if I needed food brought to me because I was still recovering from the treatment. The facility's beautiful. The private space in your bathroom, in your own room, and the backyard was here beautiful to come outside and sit in the sun and get some sun. So I would say my experience with that has just been incredible. It's been more than adequate. So
thank you very much. Thank you for your words and for your time.
Absolutely.